everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Marian. So this week we are going to make a quick hairstyle with our natural hair. And before I continue, we are very excited to announce that we are launching our organic hair growth oil. Many of you, my sisters, have been asking about this growth oil, and please don't wait any longer. The oil has arrived. The testing period has ended. So go over to our website and you'll find the oil. It is made out of aloe vera, moringa, avocado, and of course castor oil. So many of you will see how good it is. Please leave us a response, leave us a review, leave us a comment about this oil once you buy it and use it. But otherwise, so far, everyone who has used it is happy with it. And thank you so much for all the support, for all those who have been out there testing it. Thank you very much. So today we are going to do a very easy style, and my hair is already washed. I will just use a few drops of Zillion's hair growth oil into the hair, and then I'll go ahead and style as desired. For today's style, I'm just going to separate the front hair and leave a little bit for the back to hold a puff. So this is what I want to do. Hopefully it will come out. So I'm going to separate my front hair like this. Just get a small portion. Okay. I want to try and get a perfect line, as perfect as I can be. Okay, so that's that, and then I'll go to the end, this side, and do that. So all my sisters out there that have been asking about the hair growth oil, yes, go over to the website and make those orders. The oil has finally arrived. Okay, so I'm just going to take this away and first take care of the back hair. I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to hold it twice. And then I'm going to use the Shine and Jam. I'm going to use the Shine and Jam conditioning gel to give me a bit of shine. Like that. And today that's the gel we shall be using for pretty much most of the tutorial. Okay. Now this front part, I want to divide it into about 4 or 5 sections, and I'm going to use these black rubber bands, but I have covered them in oil, so that when I use them on my hair, it's easier when it's time to take it out, so it doesn't break my hair. Okay, so with this front part, I'm just going to add a little bit of the growth oil, like that. And then cut the sections that I think will come out. So that's one. And this is what I want to do. Get the section, add a bit of gel. Like this. And then I'll use the rubber band to go through my hair. So that's what we are going to do for the front part. Okay, so I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 partings. So I'm going to hold this hair so the gel can dry up a little bit, and then we'll just continue to style it. Okay, now I want to make a zigzag out of this hair. So I want to get this part to cross over to this side like this. Yes, this is what I want, like this. And then this one will go this side. Then I'll get this side to come over here, and then this side to come over here to cross over to this side. And then this I am going to divide into two. Take some here, take another here, and then I'll hold the hair again together like this. Then I had this Jamaican braid seated in my drawer. I thought I should use it. That's why I'm using it for this video. Okay. This is a Jamaican twist braid. I'm going to take it through a hair band like this. And we are going to utilize all the hair that we have been keeping in our drawers for the longest time. Okay. So I just did this twice. And then I'll hold the band and just put it on top of my puff, and I'll put it to cover my hair like that. This is one way I will do it, by just holding it with a hairband. Make kind of a fluffy a fluffy ponytail. I love this. Okay, then I'm going to accessorize my hair. Just going to put 1 or 2 rings here. Okay. Like that. And I'll just leave the fluffy hair to fall on my shoulders, just like that. So that's our look number 1. That's what I will do for day 1. Okay. And then I'd love to try something else. So when we get to the front, so I want to get this first hair and twist it to this one. Join to this one. I just hold this one to the back and tie it all together with the band. And then I will just hold my band again. So that will be my second style. And this will do very well with reusing my hair and being as creative as I can get. So my friends, this is the end of the video for this week. Thank you so much for the support. All those who are returning and those who are new, please consider subscribing to the channel. I hope you loved the video. Until then, cheers.